NEET 2018 Set HH Question number 13. Unpolarized light is incident from air on a plane surface of a material of refractive index mu. At a particular angle of incidence I, it is found that the reflected and refracted rays are perpendicular to each other. Which of the following options is correct for this situation? I is equal to sine of inverse 1 by mu, or reflected light is polarized with its electric vector parallel to the plane of incidence, or 3, I is the tan of inverse 1 by mu, or 4th, reflected light is polarized with its electric vector perpendicular to the plane of incidence. So this is what the figure looks like. Now the reflected ray of light, this part, when the angle of incidence is Brewster angle, so it would comprise of light wave which is oscillating in a direction perpendicular to vibration of electric field vectors. Therefore, option number 4, which says reflected light is polarized with its electric vector perpendicular to incidence, is the correct answer.